This is the old door closer that it was installed on this door. Actually, this hydraulic door closer, it's not a really good one. The quality is poor. It's made in China, and well, that doesn't mean nothing. This one is also made in China, but this is a good quality. This is a heavy duty one. This is just Mickey Mouse. So one of the things that you want to check on the door closer is that the door is closing by itself, and it really shuts the door automatically. So well, this is a good job. See you next time.